Hi there, my name is Lisa, welcome to my channel. Now I'm gonna show you how to paint this summer landscape. I used only 3 brushes for that. All of them are Chinese brushes from AliExpress. First 2 for the main work, and the largest one is made from a gourd for wetting our paper. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, I wet the entire surface of the paper with clean water. Don't use too much water, please. Lemon yellow and cadmium orange for the sky, lots of water and a little paint. Then ultramarine plus a little black for making some plants, and the same, less paint for the first layer. I draw layer by layer, and each new layer is darker than the previous one. Don't let the paper dry. Watercolor is like a dance of paint on water. Let the colors spread across the paper whatever it wants. After that, dry the painting well. I use a hair dryer, but you can just wait. Make the darkest plants in the foreground with a thin brush, like that. And that's it, our landscape is ready. Thank you for watching my videos, subscribe my channel, write comments, be in touch. Bye!